Good morning. We've been waiting for you. Yep, it is time to feed Razzle. First we gotta get rid of half of the starter, and then we'll put him in his brand new home, which will be this beautiful, lovely jar. I don't know if you can see, but there's a really nice little pear, there's an apple, grapes, like a peach or something. Yes, that's going to be his brand new home. That's his forever home. So we got to pour half this off. Ooh, boy, he is coming along good. I can tell you that. Wow. He is doing so wonderful. Alright, now put this in here. Lower you down so we can feed him together. And you can see how we do this. Zero it out. Again. Now, they say to do a cup of flour. Or, yeah, a cup of flour. Or 4.5 ounces. There we go. 4.5 ounces right there. Now, you only use a half a cup of water. Zero it out. And put it in. Okay, 4 ounces. Good. We got it. Awesome. Oh, crap. Wipe our scale off. Because if you take care of it, it will take care of you. And now we're just going to stir him up. And this is where I will make him a nice little name badge. And we will keep track to see how he grows. This honestly has been so easy. I can't believe how easy this is. If I'd known making a sourdough starter was this easy years ago, I've been doing this all along. So it's nice and sour. And that, my friends, is a good thing. Now, if it smells rancid, or if you ever see like mold white or a pink mold, time for the funeral. Because it's no good at that point. Push everything off. Now we will continue this process for the next few days. And I cannot wait to start baking with this. Now once we get this established and ready for us to use, then you can start breaking it up and giving it to friends. Once again, alright, bring it in. There's Razzle. When you see him tomorrow, he'll have more bubbles up all the way through, and we will repeat this process for day 3, 4, 5, and 6, day 7, or as soon as your starter is established, you would put a cup of water and then 2 scant cups of flour for 8 ounces. That's it. It's that simple. I will see you guys later.